Congratulations on your new chamber. Our installation technicians are preparing for on-site assembly. Here's how to ensure a smooth installation. Prior to installation, you'll receive a checklist. It's crucial to note and take pictures of any possible shipment damage upon arrival. Ensure the floor is level within 1/8 inch every 10 feet in all directions. Place the MAP in its final location, noting clearance as per approval drawing. Arrange equipment near the chamber's final location, allowing ample room for assembly. Complete any necessary facility modifications, such as building penetrations or seismic mounting. Ensure utilities are near or connected to components, including power, water, DI condensing, air, and drain lines. These must be completed by the end of the build. Lastly, have a forklift or man lift available for delivery. Training will follow startup and commissioning. ESPEC is here for support every step of the way.